Hi there. My name is Sharan, and welcome to another beautiful day in Madrid. The perfect time, I suppose, to be able to do a do-it-yourself project. So here you go. I got involved with a weekend project this past weekend, and what I wanted to do was set up a time capsule-like device on my network at home. So I have a bunch of Macs, and I just wanted them to back up to this one big hard drive that I have, and which is going to be connected to the network. I could buy a time capsule, I suppose, but it's overpriced for no reason. Uh, but so I have a Raspberry Pi and I have an inclination to build stuff of my own. So I ventured into trying to figure out how I can do this. So I looked up a whole bunch of solutions, looked for a whole bunch of solutions online, and I think everybody pointed to Open Media Vault as the best solution they could suggest. But Open Media Vault has a whole bunch of features. It's quite like a utility knife for networking. And if you're looking for something super simple, like a single purpose application like the one I'm looking for, maybe it's overkill. The I did have Open Media running for a long time, and one of the other problems is that it would upgrade its software and suddenly break the connection with the backup that I had already been maintaining for a while. And the only way to reconnect to that backup was to kind of like build it all over again, and I'd lose all this data backup that I had going for a long time. So I wanted a better solution than that. So I continued looking for other projects that I could do, and ran into Kevin's wonderful video, which gave me exactly the kind of solution that I was looking for. Uh, However, there were certain things that I wanted to change. I'm a digital product designer, so it's natural for me to start thinking of what I can simplify with any system that I run into. And two aspects to Kevin's solution caught my attention, which needed some improvement. And one is that it is it has been designed or thought of for a more secure environment, like a small office or a office environment where it's not entirely secure. But in a home setting, it is a secure environment, and all the what do you call it, devices on it are recognized and authenticated to begin with. So the authentication mechanism that Kevin's solution has is something that I didn't need, so I wanted to get rid of that. So I just wanted, in essence, what I wanted is a computer to be brought onto the network, and as long as it's on the network and recognized on the network, it would be able to back up to this particular destination. And that's precisely one of the changes that I made over there. The other thing is that compared to Open Media Vault, Kevin's solution is already very good, which is that it automatically identifies, it mimics a time capsule on the network. So when you use Time Machine and set up a new backup destination, this hard drive will automatically show up over there. So these are the two reasons why this solution has been is something that I wanted to put out there. Believe it or not, I started with Kevin's solution, used Perplexity to modify that solution in order to meet my needs. And the solution that you can see on my blog is that one. It's a very simple weekend project. It takes about 2 hours to complete, and if you are technically inclined, you can easily execute this project, no problem. There's just one complicated step in the middle where you need to identify the MAC address for your Raspberry Pi. But apart from that, everything else is self-contained and easy to follow in the blog. I used a Raspberry Pi 3A, so which is a rather underpowered, board, but it does the job beautifully. So there's nothing to it. If you can also use a Raspberry Pi 4 or even the latest Pi 5. There's no problem with this solution at all. So choose the case according to what you have as a board, and you can build a very nice simple solution for yourself. I didn't include the walkthrough with the blog over here in this video, simply because I kept having to pause the the video, type out the commands and all that, and it's easier to just follow the blog anyway. So that's what you'll see that I've done. I've left a link to my blog in the description below. So if you have any comments or any feedback, please feel free to drop it in the comments. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Take a look and let me know how it goes for you.